Deals at Aldi today on Ferrex tools. First up, we have a 30-watt soldering iron, only $9.99. Next up, with an inverter generator with 3-year guarantee, 800-watt, not powerful, but with power lights for you, for the price of $169.99. You could not go wrong. Next up, we have the cordless impact driver, 20-volt range. Now this is tool only without the battery and the charger, but it's only $14.99, which is absolutely crazy. Cordless nail gun on the same platform, the 20-volt active platform from Ferrex, $99.99. 20-volt miter saw, also on the same platform, $99.99. 20-volt 40-volt charger, $19.99. And the battery for the same system, the 20-volt 40-volt battery, for $39.99. And this is a good one, 40-volt cordless angle grinder body, $34.99. 18-volt cordless impact driver kit for $39.99. That's the full kit, but it's different than the 20-volt system, but still, what a deal. Cordless impact driver set, also the 18-volt. Great price of $89.99. Could you beat that? Like and subscribe for more.